meet you. I'm very happy.
I told you I'm going to Nigeria. I want to say UK. More than this time around, Saturday, I must see you.
I'm on holiday. Thank God. No, I'm not today. I went time today. Korea, on the together. Right. Your mom. Hey, that was so lovely.
I know.
Thank you so much. And I saw the happiness in her. She was so happy. You know, I really missed that day.
I know.
I want to miss you late. I want to miss you late in Nigeria. I want to know. I am my mother. If you may, I
know.
Maybe I can go look at it. Maybe I'm born. London. So once again, thank you for coming. Okay. Now we here.
Now,
Mag. But I check UK. Gavana so poor. Every governor UK. No.
I you know, UK, and the green UK this year begin to name a visa. Ibata UK, you didn't make a visa, you get to Ghana shop because the Gaga village, which at a you have to visit village, and the guy who just village must visit Okura because ever headquarter.
Even immigration now. You talk a stamp on it, but the stamp on
this is address
London.
If they don't stamp in your passport that in a Ghana Kokuro, you got Ghana Kokuro more. For so today is another special day that you have to, you know, you can see the smile all over us because my beautiful Lolo is here. And when you have a beautiful one, it's okay, I'm but because the DNA more, so why are they good? So please, Bambo me both. Poverty is not because this year has no grip for anybody. If anybody stand on your way, push that person. Onye no share goods or what do you onye na chu no shoes of nyo ya han yepia ya. Mba you down you brain ya pastor wala na go. Them the person. Say ya I want a pastor no na miss. Obezi bia wo repe. Pastor Meje. I never tell the prophet of doom. I never tell the prophet of doom.
Yes.
Hello, my people. I want to bless your year. But this year, 2024, I see so many of you going to Australia. Anywhere you are sick, lay your hand on your sickness. Any sukutum in your life shall be possessed. I bless your day in the name of the Father, Jesus Christ of the Nazareth. He's here today to bless everybody. I'm here with one of my good papa. Okay. God said to the Israelites in Nkume, He said, alive, when I behold your son. Who are you to say yes when the Lord has not said yes? I am the fight, I am the war, I am the liquid metal. This year 2024, we are not grieving for anybody. Are you in Australia? Begin to receive your miracle. Are you in UK and you have not visited Okudo or La Boutique? You are wasting your saliva.
Hey! Hello, I think you waste your saliva. All right, we are still catching fun. You can see there is no place like home. You can say, if there's no home where you can lay your hair, you're messing up. So try this year, make it as a point of duty. Tell yourself that I must achieve something very tangible this year. Put it to test and begin to work towards that.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to remember like if I take one place. So yeah, they would I change your topic. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
It's a fun time, a beautiful time. A beautiful time out with the families, and you can see all our sisters and brothers.
Yes.
Mandari Milan and Mandari. Under the glass, the paha. Awesome, all right, thank you very much. You are still on Chief Imo's page. That is a Longinus and Vance.
Yes.
Share this program. Make sure there is a message you must learn from here. Don't just laugh and then, you know. So while you are laughing, then capture the message.
Yes.
So that other people will see it. And again, this year, no grief for anybody. No grief for anybody. They talk to you, you talk back at them. How maga can't but let there be peace in your home.
Yes.
One love.
One love.
One love.
We're signing up.
Thank you.